Blossom Cuticle Oil softens, hydrates and repairs cuticles. Contains nourishing essential oils and a fresh floral scent. 0.42 fluid ounces, 12.5 milliliters. Blossom Cuticle Oil softens, hydrates and repairs cuticles. Contains nourishing essential oils and a fresh spring bouquet scent. Available in 2 sizes, 0.42 ounces and 0.92 ounces. Carthamus Tinctorious, Safflower, Seed Oil, Paraffinum Liquidum, Mineral, Oil, Oleyl Alcohol, Parfum, Fragrance, Tocopheryl Acetate. Top reviews from the United States. You need this in your life. Okay, so my cuticles aren't the best, but I've been using this cuticle oil for about a month and I can really see the difference. My cuticles and nail beds are looking so much better and the oil smells really nice. I highly recommend this product.